Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division. The lessons we're going to cover today from the chapter are divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers word problems, divide by two-digit numbers word problems, divide larger number by two-digit numbers word problems. Then we'll start the new chapter. It is add and subtract decimals, and the lesson is add decimal numbers. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, okay, here I am on grade maths. The chapter I'm going to start with is division. Okay, here is the lesson. Divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers word problem. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let me read the first question. A politician has 36,000 to buy TV advertisement. If each advertisement costs 6,000, how many advertisements can be politician buy? So basically, whenever we are working with the division with zeros, what we have to do, we have to divide the numbers, the non-zero numbers. Like here you have 36,000, you have three zeros here, and here you have 6,000, you have three zeros here. So just divide 36 by 6. Got it? Remove the zeros and divide the 36 divided by 6. Got it? So we know that 6 times what number is 36? 6 times 6 is 36. Now you can add both the digits have three zeros. Just the answer must have three zeros. So it would be 6,000. Got it? Sorry, 36 divided by 6 is 6. So both the digits have three zeros. They can cancel out their zeros with each other. So they have same numbers of zeros. So their zeros can be cancelled out with each other. So that means the politician can buy six advertisements. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. An office needs 28,000 employees. If there are zero employees in each box, how many boxes should the office buy? So 27,000 divided by 28,000 divided by 70. Okay, just count the number of zeros. Here you have three and here you have one. The one zero cancel out with each other. That means answer must have two zeros. Now divide 28 by 7. So 27 times what number is 28? 7 times 4 is 28. Got it? So that means when you divide 28,000 divided by 70, that would be 4. And 0 and 0 cancel out. You're left with just two zeros. So it would be then 4,000. Got it? So the correct option is 400. No, not 4,000, it is 400 because 28,000 has three zeros and 70 has one zero. So when they have the same number of zeros, they can cancel out. Like 70 is the one that is a smaller number. So it has 1 0. So you can cancel out 1 0. So you're left with 2. So the correct option is 400. So the correct option is 400. Okay, the next one is a climbing gym employee needs to order 72,000 centimeters of rope. How many packages of rope should be ordered if there are 9,000 centimeter of rope in each? So it is 72,000 divided by 9,000. So both of the digits have same number of zeros. So you can cancel out all the three zeros and all the three zeros. You are left with 72 divided by 9. Got it? So 9 times what number is 72? Yes, very good. 9 times 8 is 32. So the correct option is 8. Very good. Okay, the next one is if it takes 400 pounds of steel to make one steel beam, how many beams can be made from 2,800 pounds of steel? So 2,800 divided by. Okay, so they have same numbers of zeros, so they can cancel out which the you're left with 28 divided by 4. So 4 times what number is 28? So 4 times 7 is 28. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is uh, a tour group has 900 to buy a train ticket. Each ticket costs $30. How many train tickets can the group buy? So the total amount they have is $900. They have to buy. Each ticket costs $30. So how many tickets they can buy? You have to divide 900 divided by 30. Got it? Just 1 0 cancel out. You are left with 90 divided by 3. So 3 times what number is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 30. Very good. That means they can buy $30 with total $900 when each ticket costs $30. Got it? So the correct option is 30. Okay, the next one is a snack food company produced 35,000 ounces of bite-sized cookies. This the company will put the cookies into 50 ounces bag. How many bags will the company be able to fill? So you have to divide 35,000 by 50. 35,000 divided by 50. So 0 and 0 cancel out. So you have to divide 3,500 by 5. 5 times what number is 35? 5 times 7 is 35. So it would be 700. Got it? So the correct option is 700. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Next lesson is divide by two-digit numbers word problems. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, a ferry needs to transport 91 people across river. The ferry can take 34 people on trip. How many people will the ferry take on its last trip? So the total people are 91 and ferry takes 34 each time. So 91 divided by 34. Got it? Let's just divide. 31 times 4 is 34, 2 is 68, and 3 is 3 times 4 is 12, 102. We can go for 34 times 2. 34 times 2 is 68. When you subtract 11, take away 8 is 3, and 8 take away 2 is 2. That means the fairy can take 34 peoples two times, and the last time in the fairy you have just 23 peoples. Got it? Basically, the concept is you have to look for the remainders. So the remainder is 23. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, a car dealer needs to transport 68 cars to an island. If the ferry can hold 34 cars, how many trips will the ferry need to make? So you have to divide 68 by 34. 68 by 34. So you can look 34 times what number is 68? So 34 times 2 is 68. Got it? That means the ferry can do only two trips to take 68 people. Got it? The correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is a car dealership has 448 dollars to spend on newspaper ads. If each ad costs $56, how many ads can the dealership buy? You have to divide 448 by 56. Got it? 448 by 56. Okay, 56. So I think 56 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 5 is 40 and 44. Yes, we can go for 56 times 8. 56 times 8 is 448. Got it? So 56 times 8 is 448. So the correct option is 4. No 8 because yes, 440, 56 times 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, a group of 95 people is going on a boat tour. If each boat holds 18 people, how many people will be on the last boat? Because whenever you have to look for the last boat, that means you have to look for the remainder of the question. Got it? Just divide 95 by 18. 18 times 2 is 16. 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 5 is 90. Yes, we can go for 18 times 5. 18 times 5 is 90. So that means on the last, in the last, let me just read the question. Uh, that means on the last boat, you have just 5 people. Got it? Because you are left with 5 for the last one. So in the last, you have just 5 people. Got it? Okay, the next one is a printing company needs to ship 76 team calendars to the city's basketball team. The printing company can fit 38 calendars in each box. How many boxes will the printing company needs to use? So you have to divide 38 by 76 by 38. 76 divided by 38. I think 38 times 2 is 76. Yes, I am. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3, yes, 38 times 2 is 76. Got it? So the correct option is 2. That means the company can, printing company can use the two boxes will be used by the printing company. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Okay. A jazz band wants to sell $744 worth of tickets. If each ticket costs $93, how many tickets will the band have to sell to meet its goal? So you have to divide 744 by 93. 744 divided by 93. Mm, Let me see. 97, 7 times 8 times 3. Let me just check. 93 times 8. 8 times 4 is 24. 8 times 9 is 72 and 2 74. Yes, it is 93 times 8 is 744. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is Dustin's floral shop needs to mail 60 checks to the bank. If they can put 29 checks in each envelope, how many checks will be in the final envelope? You have to divide 29 by 60. Got it? 60 by 29, not 29. Okay, 29 times 2, we can go for 58, I think. And here you have to. That means in the last mail, they have to send 2 checks. Got it? So that means the correct option is 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is Belmont Bedding needs to ship 84 pillows across the country. Each shipping container can hold 22 pillows. How many pillows will be in the partially full container? So divide 84 by 22. You have to look for the remainder actually. 84 divided by 84 divided by 22. 22 times 4 is 88, but we can go for 22 times 3 because 86. 88 is greater than 84. That would be 66. Got it? So when we subtract them, it would be 7. 14 take away 6 is 8 and 7 take away 6 is 1. That means uh, the partially full container has 18 pillows. Got it? So the correct option is 18. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the lesson. Okay, the next one is divide larger number by two-digit number word problems. Okay, a math teacher has 6,696 to buy new calculators. If each calculator costs $93, how many calculators can teacher buy? So basically that's a long division method you have to divide. Let's just start with the test questions. You can uh, have a look on the tutorial yourself. Okay, a math teacher, okay, that's the same thing. 6,696 divided by 93. 6,696 divided by 93. Okay. Mm, Let me just see 93 times 7. Got it? Because I remember the answer is 72. That's why I'm trying for 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Let me show you how to divide actually, but I know the answer. So 7 times 3 is 21. Here you have 1 and here you have 2. 7 times 9 is 63. 64 and 65. It would be 651. So we can go for 93 times 7. That is 651. So subtract 9 times 1 is 9, take away 1 is 8. 6 take away 5 is 1. And bring the next digit down. That is 186. Got it? And 93 times 2 is 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 9 is 18. So we can go for 93 times. 93 times 2 is 186. So 186 take away 186 is 0. Got it? So the correct option is 72. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Sharon and Box, an office manager, needs to order 35,924 push pins for her company. If the push pin comes in the box of 28, how many boxes should Sharon order? So you have to do 35,924 by 28. 34 $5, 35,924. You have to divide 28. Okay, we can go for 30. We can go for 28 times 1 is 28. Got it? Okay, when you subtract 15, take away it is. So 35 take away 28 is 15, take away it is 7. Bring the next digit down. Now I have to count 28 till 79. To 28 times we can go for 28 times 2. 2 times 8 is 16 and 56. Let's see, 28 times 3, 3 times 8 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6 and 7, 8. No, we can go for 28 times 2. So 28 times 2 is 56. So 9 take away 6 is 3. 7 take away 5 is 1. Bring the next digit down. That would be 132. Let's see, 28 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 2, 3 carry. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, we can go for 28 times 4. It would be 112. 0 and 2. Just bring the last digit down. 204. Wait. Mm, 7 take away 5 is, here you have 2, not 1. Got it? Here you have 232. Okay, here you have 222. So we can go for 28 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It would be 224. We can go for 28 times 8. That would be 224. So 12 take away 8 is 4 is 8, 0, 0. Now bring the last digit down. That would be 4. So we can go for 28 times 3. Here you have 28 times 3 is 81 and you are left with 3. Got it? So that means the correct option is 1283. Got it? So the correct option is 1283. Okay, the next one is a farmer needs 5180 pumpkins to a grocery store. If each crate can hold 20 pumpkins, how many crates will the farmer need? You have to divide by yourself. It's a bit long. I know you already know how to divide. Got it? Let me guess the answer. Got it? That is option number 1, 259. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is a camp need to buy 2538 granola bars for their campers. If each box contains 18 granola bars, how many boxes should the camp buy? You have to divide 2538 by 18. Let me think. 18 times 1 is 18. The correct option is 18 times 1 is 18. I think it is 132. Let's see if. Oh, it is 141. Got it? You can check by dividing. Okay, the next one is Aubrey Breakfast Foods produced 69,978 ounces of crispy cereal. The company wants to put the cereal into boxes that hold 12 ounces. After filling as many boxes as possible, how many ounces of cereal will be left over? So basically, you have to calculate the left, or you have to calculate the one that is the remainder. Okay, let's just divide 69,978. 69,900 978 divided by 12. Okay. Mm, we can go for 12 times 5 is 60. Then we can go for 12 times 8 is 56. Sorry. 12 times 8 is 96. Now bring the next digit down. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 1 is 12. So we are left with 6. The correct option is 6. Got it? The leftover cereal is 6 ounces. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, with the chapter division, you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons in the chapter division until your status is completed. Like all of them are in progress. Got it? Because I haven't completed all the test questions. So, you can complete all the test questions, then you can see your final test. So complete the chapter. If you need help with anything, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the new chapter, that is add and subtract decimals, I think. Yes, add and subtract decimals. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is add decimal numbers. So we're going to learn how to add decimals. Like you have to add 0 0.5 and 0 0.9. So remove the decimal points and I add like you do the whole numbers. Got it? So 9 plus 5 is 14. So it would be 14. But then you have to put the decimal point. So it would be both the digits have one decimal place. Got it? So answer must have a one decimal place. So it would be 1.4. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 4.3 is 4.4. 4.3 plus 4.4. Arrange them one above another. Like the decimal point must be one above another. Got it? Like this one. Okay, you can add 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So it would be 8.7. Got it? So the correct option is 8.7. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 26.7 plus 36.1. 26.7 plus. Okay, so start adding from the rightmost digit. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then put a decimal point. 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 and carry 1. So it would be 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6. So it would be 62.8. When you add them, it would be 62.8. The correct option is yes, it is 62.8. I think you did a typing mistake. Okay, the next one is 7.4 plus 1.9. 9 plus 4 is 13, right? 3 and carry 1. So the correct option is 9.3. So it is 9.3. The correct option is 9.3. Let me just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1.3 plus 1.2. So the correct option is 2.5. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the correct option is 2.5. Okay, when you add them, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 and 1 carry. 9 and 9 is 18 and 1 19. So it would be 19.0. The correct option is 19.0. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9.4 plus 5.8. Eight and 4, 12. 2 and 1 carry 9 and 1, 10, 15. It would be 15.2. So the correct option is 15.2. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 6 is 15. So the correct option is 1.5. Got it? It is 1.5. So the correct option is 1.5. Okay, the next one is 0. So the correct option is 0.65. Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the correct option is the correct option is 0.67. Okay, the next one is 9 and 9, 18, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 carry, 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. That would be, that is option number 1, 110.88. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the correct option is 3.5. Okay, the next one is 5.2 plus 2.8. So the correct option is 8.0. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 4 maths, and we have here is the list of the chapters we have covered today. We were working on the chapter multiplication skill build. We are working on the chapter division, and the lessons we've covered today are divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers word problems, divide by two-digit number word problems, divide larger number by two-digit numbers word problems. Then we have started the new chapter, that is add and subtract decimals, and the lesson we did is add decimal numbers. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. It's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.